morning students, I am Dr. Sadik. In the last class, we discussed Jacobi's method and problem on Jacobi's method. Today, I am going to discuss a very important topic in the external examination. So, the topic is Gauss Seidal method. Right now students, Gauss Seidal method. Gauss Seidal method. Gauss Seidal method. Right now students, consider the equations. Consider the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1z, that is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Now consider these three equations students. Here also the same condition students. Diagonal elements are largest as compared to other elements, as in Jacobi's condition students. Those are same. So if A1, B2, C3 are largest as compared to other coefficients, then solve these equations for x, y, z respectively. Now, what is second step students in Jacobi's method? Rewrite the equations as x in terms of yz, y in terms of xz, and z in terms of xy. So here also rearrange the terms here. So x is equal to, come on tell me students, 1 by a1 d1 minus b1y minus c1z. So y is equal, students, we transfer these two to the right hand side, so we get here 1 by b2 d2 minus a2x minus c2z. What is z students? 1 by c3 into d3 minus a3x minus b3y students. Now what is next step students? Initial approximations. Initial approximation. What is initial approximation students? x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0, and z0 is equal to 0. Then you write your first approximation students here. First approximation. Here you write here students x1. So that is equal to, what is x1 students? You write x0, y0 in place, z0 in place of x, y, z students in Jacobi's method. Here in first equation what we have done here, so 1 by a1 into d1 minus b1, you write y0 in place of y students, so y0 minus c1 z0. Now y1 students, y1, so 1 by b2 into, we get d2 minus c students here a2. Previously in Jacobi's method we write x0 in place of x students, but here we upgrade at each level students. We upgrade at each level. So see students here, you write already find x1 value here, so we upgrading here. So you write x1 in place of x, so a2 x1 minus c2. Are you finding z1 here? No. So we substitute z0. Now Z1 students, 1 by C3 into bracket D3 minus A3, come on, tell me students here. Previously we substituting x0, y0 students, but we already find here x1 by 1. We already find here x1 by 1. So write here A3 x1 minus B3 by 1. B3 by 1. Now second approximation student. Second approximation. What is second approximation students? X2 that is equal to 1 by A1 D1 minus B1. Come on, tell me students here. You write x1 in place of, sorry, y1 in place of y. So y1 minus C2 z1. y2 students 1 by B2 bracket D2 minus A2. We already find here x2 students. So you write here x2 minus C2 z1. C2 z1. So what about z3 students? 1 by C3 D3 minus A3. We already find x2 y2 students here. So x2 minus B3 y2. Continue this process students. Continue this process until two approximations are same. Two approximations are same. Then we get required solution of the given equation. We get the required solution of given equation. This is about Gauss Seidal method students. This Gauss Seidal method is advanced method of Jacobi's method students. In Jacobi's method, we are substituting x0, y0, z0 in place of x, y, z students. Here, when we upgrade x1 here, we are substituting x1 in place of x students. So that's why it's called this advanced method of Jacobi's method students. This is very important students, exam point of view. Write down the question students. This question also previous year question students. So do it carefully. Solve the equation. Solve the equations. 10x plus y plus z is equal to 12. Second equation 2x plus 10y plus z is equal to 13. 2x plus 2y plus 10z is equal to 14 by Gauss Seidal method. Solution. See students, you observe the equations. You take first equation. X coefficient is largest than other coefficients. In second equation, 10, then compared to other coefficients, 10 is largest. Similarly, z here, it is largest students. So rearrange the equation students. So x is equal to, you transpose right hand side students, get 1 by 10, 12 minus y minus z. What is y students? 1 by 10, 13 minus 2x minus z. What is z? 1 by 10, 14 minus 2x minus 2y. 2x minus 2y. Initial approximation. What is initial approximation students? X0 is equal to 0, Y0 is equal to 0, and Z naught is equal to 0. Z naught is equal to 0. So first approximation x1, that is equal to, come on tell me students, x1 1 by 10 into 12 minus, these two values are 0 students, so 12 by 10 students, so you get here 1.2. Now y1 students, y1 that is equal to 1 by 10, 13 minus 2 into x1 students minus z naught. So that is equal to 1 by 10, 13 minus 2 into x1 value is 1.2, z naught value is 0. So that is equal to, you first calculate the bracket value students and then divide with 10. So bracket 13 minus 2 into 1.2 bracket close divided by 10. So that is equal, we get here 1.060. Z1 value students. So 1 by 10 bracket 14 minus 2 x1 minus 2 y1. So that is equal to 1 by 10, 14 minus 2 into x1 value, 1.2 minus 2 into y1 value, 1.060. So bracket close. So bracket 14 minus 2 into 1.2 minus 2 into 1.06 bracket close divided by 10. That is equal, we get here 0.948. Second approximation. So x2 is equal to count of students 1 by 10, 12 minus y2 minus z2. That is equal to 1 by 10, 12 minus y2 value. Sorry, it is not y2 students, it is y1 and it is z1. So what is y1 value? 1.060 minus z1 value 0.948. That is equal to 1 by, calculate students, bracket 12 minus 1.06 minus 0.948 bracket close divided by 10. That is equal, we get here 0.999. Now y2 value. So y2 is equal to 1 by 10, 13 minus 2. We already find x2 here students. So x2 minus z1. So that is equal to 1 by 10, 13 minus 2 into x2 value 0.999 minus z1 value 0.948. So that is equal to bracket 13 minus 2 into 0.999 minus 0.948 bracket close divided by 10. That is equal to 1.005. And Z3 value students. Z3 is equal to 1 by 10, 14 minus 2x2 minus 2y2. We will find the x2, y2 students here. So 1 by 10, 14 minus 2x2, 0.999 minus 2 into y2 value, 1.005. Bracket close. So that is equal to bracket 14 minus 2 into 0.999 minus 2 into 1.005 bracket close divided by 10. So that is equal, we get as 0.999 students. 0.999. So go to third approximation. So what is third approximation students here? x3 that is equal to 1 by 10 12 minus y2 minus z2. So that is equal to 1 by 10 12 minus y2 value, students. Y2 value is 1.005 minus z2. This is z2. Z2 is 0.999. 0.999. So that is equal to bracket 12 minus 1.005 minus 0.999 bracket close divided by 10. So that is equal to get here 1.000. Now y3 value, students, y3. So that is equal to 1 by 10 13 minus 2 x3 2x3 because we are finding already here minus z2. So that is equal to 1 by 10 13 minus 2 x3 value, students, 1 minus z2 0.999. So that is equal to bracket 13 minus 2 minus 0.999 bracket close divided by 10. We get here 1.000, students, and z3 that is equal to 1 by 10 14 minus 2 into x3 minus 2 into y3. So that is equal to 1 by 10 14 minus 2 into x3 value, students, 1 minus 2 into y3 value is also 1. So that is equal to bracket 14 minus 2 minus 2 bracket close divided by 10. That is equal, we get here 1.000, students. So x4 that is equal to 1 by 10 12 minus y3 fourth approximation y3 minus z3. So that is equal to 1 by 10 12 minus y3 value, students, 1 minus z3 value also 1. So that is equal to bracket 12 minus 2 bracket divided by 10. We get here 1.000. y4, students, 1 by 10 13 minus 2 x4, students. So x4 minus z3. So that is equal to 1 by 10 13 minus 2 into x4, students. x4 value is 1, so minus 2. z3 value also 1, students. So 10 by 10 get 1, students. z4 that is equal to 1 by 10 14 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1, students. So you get here also 1, students. Therefore third and fourth approximation are same. Therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1, students. This is the solution of given equation. Hope you understand, students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.